In this workout, we're pumping the arms with the stability ball. That's the biceps, the triceps, and the shoulders. I'm Tucker, welcome to McCrazy Fit. Let's get to work. Hey, let's begin laying down. The bottom or balls of my feet are on top of the ball, legs at hip width apart, knees at 90 degrees. Tightening the midsection, help keep the legs steady, keep the ball from moving. And using the muscles at the bottom of my neck, I'm going to inhale and lift my shoulders up to my ears. And then using the muscles underneath my armpit and the upper side muscles on my back, I'm going to pull those shoulders back down with the exhale. And again, inhale, pulling the shoulders up, and exhale, pulling them back down. Let's do one more. Inhale up, exhale down, and find a good resting place for them with the palms on the mat. And then inhale, let's bring the arms perpendicular to the mat. Exhale, using the muscles in the back and around the shoulder blades, we'll squeeze the shoulder blades together. And inhale, pulling the shoulder blades apart without rounding out the upper back. Exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together. I'm not arching the lower back. And then inhale, pull them apart again. And I'm not rounding out the back. One more. Exhale, squeeze. And inhale, pull them apart. Shoulder blade abduction. And again, come to a nice resting place with the shoulders lightly pressed against the back of the mat. Bring the arms down to grab the back of the leg and have the arms fully extended. We're going to move into a bicep curl. So I have a good grip on the back of my legs and I'm pushing down on my legs to add resistance to my arms. Now I'm going to exhale, curl the arms up, continue pushing down on the legs until I get fully flexed. And then inhale, I'm going to let the arms extend, but I'm resisting with the legs. So the legs are pushing down while the hands resist until full extension. Again, exhale, pushing the legs down, curling the bicep. Pause, and then we're coming back down, pushing the legs down, the arms are resisting. We're going to do this for 8 more. Exhale, curl up slowly. Let's pause, inhale at the top, and exhale, push the legs down, resist with the hands, with the biceps. There's 3, inhale, exhale, curl up. Pause, inhale, and exhale, pushing down with the legs, resisting with the arms. And again, 5 more. Curling up. Legs press down and the arms resist. Good, here's 7. Two more, almost there. Still keeping the midsection nice and tight. I don't want the ball rolling from side to side. Here's the last one. Good, and release the arms. And let's bring them out to the side. And we're just going to rotate them so the palms face the mat. And then rotate them the other way. And then again, rotating one direction and the other. Good. Now the hands going on the top of the thigh. This will be simulating a tricep extension. So we're going to resist with the legs, press down with the arms, and then the legs will push up and will resist As they come up, that'll be the eccentric motion. and then again down. So here we go. We're going for 10. Here's 2. And I'm still keeping those shoulders down on the mat. Like we talked about at the beginning, using the muscles around the armpit and the sides of the back to keep the shoulders from rounding and doming. Good, here's 5. Elbows in at the sides, resisting with the legs into extension, and on the way back the legs push up and the triceps resist. Good, 3 more. Last one. Resist on the eccentric and release, and let's rest again for a moment. Now we're going to isolate one arm at a time. So I'm going to drop the left leg. The right arm will grab the back of the right thigh, and this will be a 1-arm isolation curl. Here we go for 10. Inhale to prepare, exhale, curl up. I'm resisting with the leg, pressing down with the leg. At the top, I'm now going to press down with the leg and resist with the arm. Good, and again. So we're going nice and slow, and depending on what speed I'm going at, I can exhale as I curl up, pause to inhale at the top, exhale slowly going down, or exhale, curl, inhale down. Let's go 3 more. Good, last 2, and then we'll go straight into single arm tricep extension. This bodybuilding term is called supersetting, where we're stacking 2 exercises back to back. And ideally, those exercises don't affect the other one. So now tricep extension, extend, and resist back, and extend, and resist back. Good, keep going. There's 4. I'm keeping the core extra tight to keep the ball from wobbling. Only front and back, not side to side. 3 more. Pressing the arm down. The leg is resisting. And then the leg presses and the arm resists. So we're getting great resistance on the eccentric and concentric parts of this exercise. Good, and let's release. Bring that left foot back onto the ball, bottom of the foot on the top of the ball. And the right foot will come down onto the side of the mat, out of the way. Right arm, grabbing the back of the left leg. Let's get that arm all the way extended. I want as big of a stretch in the bicep as possible. And now, pushing down on the leg, I'm going to curl up. And then resist as the leg presses back down into full extension. And again, good, there's 2. 8 more. Exhale up. Inhale down. Good, back muscles, keeping those shoulders from rounding. Heads resting gently on the mat. Nose pointed right up to the ceiling. 5. 6, good. Let's go a little slower on the way down. 7. Core's nice and tight. Ball's not moving side to side. 2 more. Good, and slowly down. Excellent. Bring the left foot down. Let's look at that pump real quick. Good. Grab the back of the legs and kick up. And I'll come to the edge of the mat on my knees, hands on top of the ball. We're going to stay tight and straight in the midsection. Let the ball roll out on the arms into a plank position. And then using the triceps and the upper back muscles, we're going to pull back up to perpendicular. Let's go for 10. So we're going to inhale slowly out, exhale back. There's 2. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Strong in the shoulders. Get a nice stretch in the back of the arms, and then flex up. Good. 3 more. Last one, slow it down a little bit. Stretch at the bottom, flex up. Good. Now let's bring the hands out to about the side of the ball, 3/4 or 1/4 the way over. And we'll slowly lower and push back. Good. Slowly lower and push. I'm trying to find a place with my hands where my wrists are as straight as possible for comfort. Inhale down. Exhale up. Good. 2 more. And rest. Let's bring those arms back to the side and roll the shoulders a few times back and a few times forward. And we're going to do that exercise one more time. Starting with the belly on the ball, and we can choose to come up into a full plank position or keep the knees on the ground. And let's go for 10. 1, inhale down. Exhale up. 2, good. Body straight. Keep that body steady. Keep that ball steady. Halfway there. Feeling all those muscles around the armpit, the lats, the side of the back, helping to keep the shoulders in place. Back's not rounding at the top. 2 more. Good. And let's lower slowly down to the ball. Bring the knees down. Excellent. I'm going to reposition so that my belly's on the ball. Legs are straight. And let's bring those arms down to the side, palms facing the ground. I'm going to let the body bend over the ball and then exhale into extension and squeeze the shoulder blades. And inhale again. Slight flexion, letting the upper body fall over the ball while still staying tight in the midsection. And then exhale into extension, squeeze the shoulder blades, reach the hands long. Good. 4 more. Inhale and exhale into extension. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Last one, we're going to stay up. And let's beat the arms slowly, pumping. And maintain a nice steady breath. So you can inhale for 2 or 3 pumps, exhale for 2 or 3. Reach the arms long. Straight arms, tight all through the midsection. Squeezing the shoulders. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let your whole body fall over the ball. And I could rock forwards and backwards to find the right spot to release tension in the right place. And that'll conclude our stability ball arm workout. Let me know in the comments what you thought of it. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and make a purchase, I get a commission at no charge to you. I'll leave you with my stability ball playlist. Find your next workout, and I'll see you there.